Hey, this is YouTube. Yes, you want to push the button and subscribe to YouTube channel, Barry Jorris. Yeah, and on today, we're going to show you how we did the star on Magical Moments. You just need a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. It's pretty easy. I have one here, but I'm going to show you from scratch just how to do it. You take that paper and you fold it in half. Just square that up so that's folded in half. That's that crease right there. Okay? Now we're going to do that one more time. You take this and fold that part in half, just getting that so you have a crease line that you're going to see. What they call that is that crease line right there. Okay? Now you're going to take from the top corner, left corner, and we're going to make one more crease line right down. You want this part to come right down that center where that line is, and we're going to crease that line right there. Okay? Now we're opening that back up. Very good. And that's to give us this line as a marker, because I'm going to take this here, this corner, and I'm going to put that up right. You want to keep it on this where that half point is, and that part, and you want that point to go right there and on out to that edge up here. So you got this line, it's folded right there, and you're folding that up until this hits that crease line and right there. Okay? And then we fold that like that. Okay? Well, that's where we're at. And then we're going to take this side. We want this edge to go right along here. So we're going to take that edge from this fold right there, and we're going right along that edge. You hold it on that edge, and then you crease this. So it's going to look like that. Okay? Then we're going to fold this over on this side. Right there. Folding that down just like that. And when that is folded just like that, that's where you're going to get for your cut. Okay? It's folded. Now, you want to put a kind of imaginary line. If you have a pencil, you can just draw a line right there as you're going to cut from here up to there. Okay? So you have your scissors. Now, you want to cut the side here. This is folded. This would be the where we've creased it. So we're going to start on the folded side right there. And you got to get that down below where this end is. So we're right there. Okay? So we're going to cut at an angle. Boom, boom, all the way across. This part is the throwaway part, although if you open that up, it should have the cutout part of your star, just like that. I didn't show that part on Magical Moment. That's why you got to be on YouTube. Oh, yes, and then you just open up that part there. Open it. This part here will fold down, and then open it up. And you have the Star of David, a perfect cut, 5-point star, the Star of David. That's how we did the star on Magical Moments. And now you, too, can make the star. Hey, have fun with it. You might want to practice. This is the one that I folded and then I uncut. So when I was talking and sharing it, I had it already ready to go so that I didn't have to worry about where my lines were, and I could just fold it as I was talking a little easier, so it just folded back up. That's just a little hint if you're going to be showing people how to talk while you do it and do an illustration. Hey, thanks for joining us on YouTube. Share it with your friends. Let's spread this out so lots of people become a YouTube subscriber to Barry Jorris. Thanks.